everyone. My name is Ivelina Ivanova, and today I am pleasure to present you our work, experimental study on the influence of natural fiber fabrics is mortal actually. Um, this work was carried out in University of Reims, Champagne-Ardenne, in Institute of Thermal Mechanics and Materials, ITEM. So I will begin by introduction. After I will present the material used, experimental progress, some result, and finally a conclusion. This experimental research studied the effect of adding hemp fiber fabrics to concrete. In the beginning, we thought to put directly in concrete, but after we decide to begin with the mortar, and in that I will present the result in the mortar. To investigate the mechanical properties of the material. All of us, the strengthening of structure with carbon fiber or glass fiber material, synthetic fiber, but the most idea here is to replace the synthetic fiber as reinforcement with the vegetal fiber plant. Because this is a first step in the respecting environmental issue. Many research use the different fiber to improve their properties. Because the use of various fiber composite material which provide outstanding resisting to corrosion, better to synthetic fiber, and the strength to weight ratio is more and more popular in the concrete construction. Maybe you know that we talk to the reinforced concrete by fiber. Many research use the different fiber like you can see here in the picture, steel or glass or carbon fiber or also natural fiber, but here we can, one of the objective to the current research project is to investigation of the influence of added hemp fiber fabric directly and different wires and different position to reduce the stress intensity at the crack tip and therefore an increase in the remarking lifetime of concrete structure. So why you choose the hemp fiber? Because in Europe is one of the major products of hemp and flax fiber, and actually in France we have a big producer, the hemp fiber, and hemp fiber availability in most of countries of world also, but hemp fiber have many environmental benefits, great for environmental protection. The cultivation of hemp are not necessary fertilizers and pesticide also. They are recycling and they have many application in our life. So we use the hemp fiber fabrics with a mesh of 3 millimeter. You can see in the picture here. We prepare and put directly for some case of our research, and after we put the mortar it is consisting of sand, cement, and water. You can see the proportion here. And after and before this, we studied the mechanical properties of tensile test of the hemp also. You can see here some result for tensile test of one fiber of hemp, tenth of hemp fiber fabrics, and the comparison of the mechanical behavior presented in the curve here. You can see that the hemp fiber and the fiber fabric show um, the both behavior are similar to an elastic linear slope until failure. So the result of our research to apply the hemp fiber, the program is we put directly the hemp fiber, or we put also in the first in the second case hemp fiber is put 1 centimeter in the concrete, and the third case is application of two wire directly in 0 centimeter and in 1 centimeter in the mortar. The mortar specimen have the dimension you can see here 4 and 16 centimeter. The hemp fiber fabrics was prepared and hand way up method in laminate configuration, and after all specimens were tested in 3-point bending test. During the test, the applied load and the maximum deflection are measured using sensor and recording by data acquisition system. All specimens were tested in the same direction as it was made, because the fabric must remain on the underside of the specimen. And we try to make the slope surface smooth to be the better test. Bending test offer effect of shear force and pure moment is observed. The result showed that the configuration with one wire put directly is showed a better result. 47% increase the maximum load under bending test. So you can see here some curve comparison between strengthened and no strengthened specimen, and you can see the increase of ultimate load in the specimen for with one wires of hemp fiber fabrics put in directly, and the difference with one wire but put in 1 centimeter in the mortar. So we don't have a big effect of second case. And one comparison of a different number of wired with green curve, you can see the third case with two layer of 0 and 1 centimeter in the specimen. The we have the same um, comportment like with the specimen strengthening with one wire of 0 centimeter directly put it. The first case with one wire of zero is stayed better solution. And um, some co-ops of the mortar generally we detect two type of bending crack vertically in the middle and inclined crack for some specimen. So for conclusion, um, with this team over the wire range of natural fiber have been investigation to better understand their mechanical properties. This experimental research approach provide a better understanding the mechanical behavior and sliding technique between fiber and mortar and the effect of different wire. The work showed an increased ultimate load from 47% in flexural strength compared to the control specimen without strengthening, and it is not to be ignored. For this, uh, we will be continued this study and uh, we see. So I want to acknowledgement for the university and their financial support and some reference to using. So thank you very much for your attention.